In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in your bio on Instagram. So let's go to Instagram and we're going to go to our profile at the bottom right hand corner, and I'm going to show you how to add a link on your actual profile here. That way, anytime someone goes on your profile, they'll be able to find that link. So what you want to do here is go to edit profile, which should be underneath your name on the left hand side here. And what you want to do here is basically just go down to where it says links, and you want to add a link. So from here, you just want to go ahead and click add link. So there's two things you can do here. You can go ahead and just type in a random web page. So let's just go disney.com. And then you can title that link so it's a little easier to read. So let's go ahead and say Disney, just to keep it on brand here, and then go ahead and hit that check mark at the top right hand corner. It's going to take a couple seconds, and then that link, as you see, the name is there and then the link is there as well. And then once you go back to your profile, now the link is there. So let's go ahead and share a link from a web page and then also add that to our bio as well. So let's go ahead back to edit profile, and let's go back to links, and what we're going to do is just go ahead and delete this one here. Go ahead and hit remove link, and then that's going to take a second or two. And then let's go ahead and go to a web page. So I have a web page here loaded on my browser here. It's a harrypottershop.com. So what we can do is go ahead and copy that link. Go ahead and hit copy, and then we'll come out of here, go back to Instagram, and let's go ahead and add that link in there. And let's just go ahead and click and hold and paste that link. And then let's make the link easier to read and just put the title in as Harry Potter Store. Here, let's fix that real quick. And then go ahead and hit that blue check mark at the top right hand corner. And now that link is going to be on our profile, and we can go back to our profile, and the link is there. So it's very simple and very easy to do. It's very easy to add a link into our bio, and it's easy to add a link from a web page as well. Hope that helps.